If you're looking for a perfect leather messenger bag for carrying your laptop, files and documents with utmost safety, Hammond's Flycatcher has made such laptop messenger bag with 100% pure full-grained leather that lasts really very long and looks even better with age. This messenger bag comes with top side wrap bail handle with velcro for comfortable grip and is reinforced with nylon stitches and branded rivets. The bag features smooth and durable zipper with branded brass puller. Along with handle, this bag also has detachable shoulder strap with durable metallic dog hook and D. The shoulder strap can be adjusted according to the preferable height. This messenger bag has one main compartment on top with a padded laptop section inside that protects your laptop from any kind of accidental hits or drops. The main compartment is large enough to hold diaries and important files and also has dedicated pockets for pens, wallet and mobile phone. One in a small pocket with zip to keep important documents or IDs. The front compartment comes with a top cover equipped with buckle lock system for extra protection and is best for storing iPad, tab or small items. The rear pocket is with a zip that is perfect for storing all kinds of paperworks and documents. This messenger bag is equipped with trolley strap with a small snap fastener button. This bag comes in 2 different colors to choose from, and Hammond's Flycatcher provides 1-year warranty against any manufacturing defects.